Hey everyone, so this is one of the two resident drum kits that we have here at Dark Highway Recording, and I wanted to talk about something very specific about the cymbals. This set of cymbals is recorded with the standard method of overheads and room mics, but in addition, it also has on each cymbal, they've all been individually close mic'd from the bottom with pencil condensers. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried this technique, but the results I find are quite unintuitive, because what I found is that even though you're not miking the surface of the cymbal that's hit with the stick, the sound of the cymbals that you get in the microphone is indistinguishable from how it would sound with a more conventional miking technique from the top. But the big difference is not the sound of the cymbal, it's the fact that you get much less bleed from the drums. Now, I found that kind of strange because, as you can see here, you got a floor tom. And one would think that if you hit this, you get a lot of reflections off the bottom of this ride cymbal and then into the microphone right there, so you would still get a lot of bleed. But in my experience, that's not the case. You get a much cleaner cymbal-only sound in each of these microphones than what they would have sounded like if you had mic'd them from the top. So if you have ever tried this technique, I'm interested in hearing from you. Did you get the same result, or was this kind of a freak of nature? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.